Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's affirmations are inspired by the law of vibration, which is the second law of the 12 universal laws. It's so appropriate that I've just come in from the most beautiful walk. I walked for about a mile. It was about 6:45 in the morning. So nice, early, very quiet, nobody around apart from the sheep and the birds, lots of bugs. And it was just so wonderful to be in that vibrational resonation with the planet and nature. My name is Stephanie, if I haven't already mentioned that. I am an alcohol freedom hypnotherapist and offer a 90-day detox from alcohol so that you can realign your relationship with it. If that's something that you're interested in, then please see the description. Also, if you're interested in doing the meditation on the law of vibration, the details are also in the description. If you like affirmations that support your spiritual journey, then I would please ask that you subscribe, like, push the little bell so you get notifications of my content. If you have already subscribed and you're a regular viewer, then thank you. My love and appreciation flow to you. The format for today is I will repeat the affirmations twice and I will leave plenty of room for you to repeat those that resonate with you. But first of all, I just invite you now to just close your eyes, take some deep breaths, just really ground and center yourself in this moment. Just bring some peace and some calm and some inner sanctuary to yourself with some nice deep breaths. Just let all tension and anxieties, worries, just let them flow away from you now as you take this time for yourself. If you can feel yourself holding on to any tension, just consciously bring some relaxation to those areas. Okay, beginning the affirmations now. I choose positive thoughts and positivity surrounds me. I choose positive thoughts and positivity surrounds me. I vibrate loving and peaceful frequencies. I vibrate loving and peaceful frequencies. I am constantly emitting energy. I choose high vibrations. I am constantly emitting energy. I choose high vibrations. I attract high vibes back to me. I attract high vibes back to me. I am grateful to choose my mood. I am grateful to choose my mood. I speak kindly to myself and to others. I speak kindly to myself and to others. I take care not to gossip. I take care not to gossip. I laugh out loud every day. I laugh out loud every day. I match my actions to my desires. I match my actions to my desires. I spend time connecting with nature. I spend time connecting with nature. I choose foods that are easy to digest. I choose foods that are easy to digest. I spend time in mutually edifying relationships. I spend time in mutually edifying relationships. I find the magic in the mundane. I find the magic in the mundane. I am open to receive an abundance of positive things. I am open to receive an abundance of positive things. And I would invite you now just to continue with your eyes closed and spend some time in gratitude. Gratitude for all that has been, all that is, and all that is to come. And just slowly now bring your attention back to your surroundings. Thank you very much for joining me with these affirmations. It's always a pleasure to spend time with you, to receive your comments. I love to engage with your comments, so please do say hi. Perhaps let me know which one was your favourite affirmation. Anything really. It's a joy to hear from my viewers. And again, I would invite you, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It really does help a small channel like mine to get picked up by the YouTube algorithm. And as always, My love and appreciation flow to you. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here. Have a wonderful, peaceful day. Namaste.